Hindi class, right? Okay, you know something? We have learned 10 letters in Hindi. That too, all 10 vowels. We completed all 10 vowels. I hope you all remember all the 10 vowels, right? Okay, I'll ask you a question. How many vowels are there in Hindi? How many? Tell me. Yes, 13 vowels. Out of 13, we have learned 10 vowels, right? Okay. And today we are going to learn letter O. Okay? Letter O. And before that, as usual, I am going to do a small recap. What is that? Anar. A say am. Imali. E say eek. Ullu. U say oon. Rishi. A say AD. I say Ainap. And O say Okali. And today Au say Aurat. Aurat means a lady, a woman like me. I am also an Aurat. Okay? Your mommy is a Aurat. Your auntie is a Aurat. Okay? Your party, grandma is a Aurat. Clear? That is called Aurat. Okay? And how to write Au? Very simple, very easy. Do you know how to write A? Look at the book. Half a circle from red line to blue line. Again an half a circle from blue line to the next blue line. A sleeping line, a standing line. This is A. One more standing line. This is A. Sleeping line. One horn. This is O. And one more. Okay. See, two horns are there for Au. Au say Aurat. Right? Okay. Now the end of the session. Today I am going to teach you 4 question words. Okay. First one is what. What is that? What. How will you ask this what in Hindi? Kya. Kya. Okay. Then when. The second one is when. In Hindi we will ask kab. Kab. Okay. Now the third one is why. And in Hindi you should ask kyun. Kyun. And the fourth one is where. Where. And in Hindi you should say kahan. Okay. So we have learned kya, kyun, kab, kahan. Clear? Learn this.